Hello, how you doing? Look, cabbage and eggs today. A little bit of spice, a little bit of tomato, a few other bits and pieces. Fantastic, nice little lunch or breakfast idea. Anyway, it's eggs. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we've got here is some white cabbage, about 4 or 5 cups there, maybe 5 cups actually. Cut fairly thick and chunky. 2 cups of tomato, 2 cups of green onions, 1 cup of regular onion, I'm using red, a tablespoon of chopped garlic. If you want, you can put some ginger in this, and some whole fresh green chilies. Also, we're going to be adding 4 eggs. So in my pan here, I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you can use a different oil if you want. I've got like 3 tablespoons there. We're going to drop in now 1 cup of onion. I'm also going to drop in our whole green chili and our garlic. Now the chili is completely optional. I just kind of like it in there. It might be too spicy for some people, but I think it is good. So above medium heat, 4 minutes. Fabulous. Next up, let's grab our cabbage, fairly chunky cut. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper and stay on this above medium heat, you know, fairly lively for about another 4 minutes. Stir often. So you can see our cabbage is starting to cook down. Still got a bit of crunch on it. Let's grab those 2 cups of chunky cut tomato, and now just go for 2 minutes. So just a couple of minutes there. Now we're going to grab that couple of cups of green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. And here I've got 4 eggs that I've beaten. In it goes. Mix away. I like my eggs fairly well done. In fact, I like them well done. So I'm going to keep going round and round. Get them to how you want. You've done it. Beautiful stuff. All right, and there you go. Look, really, really simple cabbage and eggs with a little bit of spice. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.